legal opinion. Is there any merit in, I mean, if the entire purpose of this is to ultimately stack our deck with a royal flush so that when we do get the pieces to fold into place, is there added benefit or value in having a legal opinion kind of in our back pocket should that next step be warranted?
Unless we're going to go down the legal road with a lawsuit, which I think is fraught with challenges, I think we have at some point we might need to get some legal advice on some actual wording that we need them to do on a particular angle. But I think we're on the right track, but that doesn't forestall us asking for legal help at some point in time. That's my opinion. And the one thing, again, from experience is oftentimes when you bring that